there.
Hello, Parrot.
And as we started talking, Clown Pierce began to reveal why he had just ambushed me.
There's something I'm after.
What?
Your life.
Can I ask why? Like, what did I do to you?
Oh, no. You didn't slight me or anything, no. That's just a lot of money on the line.
Which meant that someone had placed a bounty on me. But despite that, I had an even bigger question. You could have killed me. And if you wanted my life so bad, for whatever, like the money or whatever, why didn't you kill me?
Because that wouldn't be any fun. See, I want to give you just the slightest fair chance.
So what does that mean?
It means this conversation is over. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Clown, just let me leave, bro. Bro, clown. Just this once, bro.